And welcome back to another episode of Craig in the Kitchen. If you're wondering why I'm voicing over the first part of this video, it's because I forgot to turn the microphone on the camera to on. Today I'm making roasted red peppers. I'm going to start by taking a cookie sheet, lining it with aluminum foil, and spraying it with cooking spray. The aluminum foil and cooking spray makes it so that it's cleanup a lot easier, which us guys love. And I'm going to be putting the cookie sheet with the peppers into the oven on high broil, and it'll be on, I'll move the shelf up to the second highest level. So let me recap. I took the peppers, washed them, put them on a foil-lined pan with cooking spray, put them in the oven on broil on the second, you saw on the second down shelf, and then I'm going to come back to those and show you as they progress what to do with them. It's that time to show you what's going on in the oven with the peppers. So we're going to take a look, and as you can see, the peppers are starting to get nice and black on the tops, and needs to go a little bit longer. I'm probably going to rotate them around. You might be able to get a better look at them now, and I will then flip them so that they start to get warmer on the other side. So that's what we're going for there. So we're going to take another look in about another 5 minutes, but through the magic of video, we'll be right back here now. And we're back. And as you can see, the peppers are now ready to flip. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to roll them over. You want the skin to be a little crunchy. I'm going to get some tongs because I don't have asbestos hands. So the top's going to be a little bit crunchy, and it's not really burning the pepper, because what's happening is the skin is separating from the meat inside the pepper, and the skin is then just going to peel right off. So we're going to give them some more time to toast, and I'll be back soon. And we're back. So let's take a look at those peppers and see how they're doing. They're coming along. That has the camera lens just fogs right up from the steam coming off of them. Sorry about that. Can't do anything to help you there. But yeah, they look good. Looks like they got a little bit longer to go. And I'm gonna try to roll that one over there. But looks like they're coming along really nice. Okay, we're back, and the peppers are cooled, so we're going to start taking the skin off. Now I'm going to move the camera over here so you can get a look at what I'm doing, and not my face. So I know you'd rather look at the peppers anyway. So hold on a second. Move the camera. Okay, so we're going to start with, we're just going to load them, put them all over here. We're going to start with this one right here, just because it's conveniently here. So as you can see, the skin just peels right off. Well, it helps that they're cooled down, because the steam that's created inside the skin separates the skin from the meaty part of the pepper. And that's how easy it is to take the skin off. Now the innards, which I'm going to show you right now, they're a little harder because of how wet everything is in the seeds. Sometimes it helps to get a spoon to help you get the seeds out, but we'll try this. So as you can see, I just peel it apart back from the top there. As I'm peeling it apart, the seeds, everything should just come right out. But because of their wet, sometimes they don't like to. So you can use your fingers if you want, but then the seeds stick to your fingers and you end up with the your finger, the seeds on everything. So you can see it just comes right off, and there's some seeds stuck over here on the plate. So and that's how you gut and skin a pepper. Now I'm going to go ahead and finish off the last red peppers off camera, and we'll be done with the red peppers roasting. So as you can see, all of the red peppers are nicely roasted and ready to go in our dish.